Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I will give you the insight question answers from chapter 4 class 6 geography book maps and map reading. In the previous video I gave you the exercise question answers. If you missed then please check out the description box, you will find that video from there. So let's start the insight question answers of maps and map reading. Number 1, what is globe? Globe is a miniature model of the earth. It is in fact an object shaped like a ball with a map of the world on its surface. Number 2, what can we locate with the help of a globe? We can locate continents, countries and big cities with the help of a globe. Number 3, what are the disadvantages of a globe? First point, small towns, cities and other details cannot be shown on the globe as it has limited space. Next point, it is not convenient to carry a globe everywhere because of its size. Number 4, who make maps? What do they do to make accurate maps? Maps are made by cartographers. They use aerial and satellite photographs of a place to make accurate maps. Number 5, what is map? A map is a representation of the earth's surface on a flat surface like paper. Number 6, write the features of a map or advantages of a map. First point, maps may represent the whole or a part of the earth. Next point, maps show accurate details of small areas. Third point, maps can be carried everywhere easily. Fourth point, we use maps to locate the states, districts, towns and other places in a country. Last point, maps are also used to know about the geographical features of different areas in the world. Next, number 7, what is atlas? Maps are compiled together in a book called atlas. Number 8, what do physical maps show? Physical maps show the relief or natural features of the earth's surface. They show landforms like plains, mountains, valleys, plateaus and water bodies like rivers, seas and oceans. Number 9, which may not be outlined in physical maps. In physical maps, the countries or states may not be outlined. Number 10, how are the various relief features of physical maps represented? The various relief features are represented using different colors. Number 11, physical maps are also called relief maps. This is a fill in the blank. Number 12, what does political maps show? Political maps show boundaries of countries, states, cities, capital, etc. Number 13, what are thematic maps based on? Thematic maps are based on some theme or specific information like rainfall, temperature, railways, crops, minerals, forests and air routes. Number 14, what is scale used to? The scale is used to measure the distance between two places on a map. Number 15, what is the most important in reading maps? Scale is the most important in reading maps. Number 16, what do you mean by scale of the map? The ratio of the distance between two places on the map and the distance of the same two places on the ground is known as scale of the map. Number 17, what are small scale maps? What are they used for? The maps which are used to show large areas like countries and or continents with fewer details are called small scale maps. For example, wall maps used in classrooms. This scale can be used to show countries which are very far off from one another in the same map. They are used to show large areas like countries or continents with fewer details. 18 is again a fill in the blank. Small maps are called so as they have small scales. 19, large scale maps use large scale. Number 20, what are large scale maps used to? Large scale maps are used to represent small distances between towns, cities and states with more details. Number 21, large scale maps can give more information and details than small scale maps. 22, What are cardinal directions? North, south, east and west are four major directions. These are called the cardinal directions. Number 23. What is north line? The north direction is shown on a map by an arrow pointing in the upward direction with the letter N marked on it. This arrow is called the north line. 24. Fill in the blank. The direction to the right of the north line is east and to its left is west, and at the bottom of the north line is south. Number 25. Write the name of the four intermediate directions. Midday between the north and east directions is northeast, that represented by NE. Between north and west is northwest, NW. Between south and east is southeast, SE. And southwest, SW, lies between south and west. These four directions are known as intermediate directions. 26. How sun helps us to find directions? We know that sun rises in the east. In the morning, if we stand facing the sun, we face east, and the west is behind us. The north is towards our left and the south is towards our right. 27. How can we find direction with the help of magnetic compass? The magnetic needle of the compass always points in the north-south direction. This compass helps the mariners locate directions, hence it is also known as the mariner's compass. 28. What is sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing of an area or a place drawn without a scale or accurate distances. 29. Fill in the blank. Sketch does not have proper signs and symbols. 30. What is plan? A plan is a drawing which is used to show layout of buildings, houses, hospitals, classrooms, etc. 31. What does a plan represent? A plan represents a very small area on a large scale. Last question of this chapter, 32. What do symbols represent? Symbols represent features on maps which otherwise cannot be drawn on a map. So these are the inside question answers from this chapter. If you have any query, then please let me know in the comment box, and if you have missed any video, then please check out the description box or playlist. You will find all the videos from there. So that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye.